Independent candidate Themba Mliswa has launched a stinging critique of ZANU-PF spokesperson Chris Muchangwa, accusing him of concentrating on petty personal conflicts with the businessman Gudakwa Chitagurei instead of addressing key national issues tied to Chinese investment. Sadabida Mashkublanyi Bachizi Mliswa launches furious attack on Muchangwa, defense Chitagurei. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. In a statement released on Tuesday, Maliswa described Muchangwa as a petty spokesperson, driven more by personal ambitions than positional mandate. He condemned Muchangwa's repeated attacks on perceived rivals, such as Taguri, calling them an embarrassment and a frolic in trivial pursuits. Defending Taguri and other local business figures who have supported the ruling party, Maliswa argued that their contributions should be celebrated and criticized. Without their funding initiatives, ZANU-PF might be a former ruling party, he said. He also compared the situation to other African countries, pointing out, we never hear about ANC complaining about Motsepe or Obasanjo going around saying, I made Dangote or Rotimi Elmel. He insisted that the government's priority should be to create an environment for success, not to gatekeep the party from individuals who have kept things ticking. Mliswa went on to claim that Muchangwa himself benefited from these business figures, asserting, even Chris owes his seat to them. He further criticized the government's handling of Chinese investments in Zimbabwe, focusing on the Manise Steel project. Mliswa called it the Manise heist, alleging that while the project is portrayed as a national triumph, real money is going China's way. He claimed the value of resources at Manise could be around 7 trillion US dollars, saying Zimbabwe's share is disproportionately small. Why are we not stampeding against this clearly unjust arrangement instead of undermining locals who have managed to succeed in business? It went on to stand with the party. Mliswa questioned. Tomashkotogwa na Themba Mliswa embodiza mafunguro imo tulipa msiripe chitko ichi na comment section medu. Subscribe or like it on the bell icon.